Got the hiccups, buddy? When you got the hiccups, you got the hiccups, and there's no denying it. Early life lesson, buddy. Go big or go home. That's some manly hiccups you got there. Oh yeah. Give it to me again. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Let's see if this psychological trick works on you. I'll give you more fresh breast milk from your mom, of course, if you hiccup 3 more times. Starting now. 1. I don't think it's going to work. 2. I think that was 3. Looks like I owe you.